Good morning, sir.
Morning, Vernica, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You have a very unique name.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Sir, Vernica actually means purity of gold or a girl who is pure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So are you true to your name?
Yes, sir, I guess so.
You have not done anything wrong till now?
No, sir, I mostly used to speak truth.
Okay, very nice. So which place do you come from?
Sir, I come from village Badnauli, which lies in Hapur district in state Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And how is this place? This is a big place, it's a village, it's a town, it's a city.
Sir, it's not a big village, it's a small village and has population around 5,000
Okay.
and it is 6 kilometers away from the main district Hapur.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are the facilities available in your place?
Sir, in my village, the road is very well there, and yes, sir, transport facilities are not that well. Like when I used to go to my school from my village, then we do not get auto so much early. We have to wait for it for 20 to 30 minutes most of the time. Yes, sir.
And all items are available in the shops? In your
Yes,
village?
sir. All shops are available there, but if something is not present there, then we have to go to our district where the main market is available. Yes, sir.
Mobile, television, dish, all these things are available.
Yes, sir. In most of the house, it is available, and electricity supply, water supply is also good in my village. But we don't have television at our own home actually.
What about water? You take water from hand pump or you have normal taps?
Sir, we have normal taps there. There is a hand pump in our area, and if the water is not coming sometime or if there is any problem, then we also bore it from the hand pump as
The
well.
hand pump is available all the time
Yes, sir. It is available for all the people living
for
there.
everyone.
Yes,
So, okay. And how many years have you spent in this place?
Sir, in village Badnauli, it has been 4 years since I am here, and before it, I was in Chandralok colony, which is 4 kilometers behind it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Dehradun, you have been here for last more than a week.
Yes, sir. More than a week
So,
now.
first time you came to Dehradun?
Yes, sir. First time. No, sir. It is my second time. I firstly appeared for my first SSB. It was in FSB Dehradun, so it is my second time in Dehradun.
Second time.
Yes, sir.
So, about SSB we will discuss separately.
Yes, sir.
But tell me, how do you feel about Dehradun and how do you compare Dehradun to your place?
Sir, my place is a plain area and has humid temperature over there. Since it is close to Delhi as well, Delhi is 60 kilometers ahead from my place, and you must be aware that there is very high temperature nowadays. Intense heat waves are there. So Dehradun is very cold compared to that. In fact, I have heard that monsoon has reached Dehradun. That's why I have observed rain twice in the last week. So I have also seen mountains over there, and since it's a tourist place, so there's a nice crowd and traffic as well. Yes, sir.
So, how has been your experience here last 5 days?
Sir, it was very pleasant. Like I made many friends, and all the girls I made, I learned from them something new always, and I have a good bonding with everyone here.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So, you are enjoying?
Yes, sir. I'm fully
Are
enjoying
you
here.
speaking to your family, friends?
Yes, sir. I call to my family daily. To my father and my brothers, I speak daily in the evening.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what was your father said last time you spoke to him?
Sir, he said that I hope your studies are going well, and I'm expecting that this time you will certainly make me proud.
All right.
Yes.
We all hope so. We
I
all
do, sir.
expect that. Now, Vernica, what are you called at home? By what name?
Sir, my nickname is Chinky. My father and my siblings used to call me as Chinky.
TQ. And friends?
Sir, my friends call me Vernica since most of my friends are from school or my tuition, and there everybody know me as Vernica.
So you are happy with TQ also?
Yes, sir. I am happy with Chinky as well since my parents have given me that name, and I really like it also.
All right. So what we will do during next few minutes, we will talk more about you
Yes, sir.
and cover various areas like education, family, your spare time activities, interests, hobbies, okay?
Yes, sir.
As well as something more about you. I have some idea about you from this PIQ form that you have submitted, but I feel this is not enough. I want to know more,
Yes, sir.
and this more I expect from you. So feel free to talk about yourself and your activities
Yes, sir.
as we progress. Since you are a student, we will start with education.
Okay, sir.
suppose you tell me about your education starting from class 8. I will be interested to know your subjects that you like, subjects that you did not care much about, grades and the percentages that you achieved in various exams, efforts that you put towards co-curricular and extracurricular activities that were available to you in school, out of which the activities that you participated and your achievements in those activities.
Okay, sir.
Tell me about the friend circle, who are your close friends, why do you feel they are close to you, about the friends whom you avoided, for what reason you avoided them, teachers whom you like very much and the ones who did not impress you for some reason, and what is your ambition and how do you want to achieve your ambition, what efforts have you put so far, what efforts you are likely to put now onwards.
Okay, sir. So starting from my education from class 8 onwards, I scored 96% in class 9 and 99% in class 12. I was the district topper as well in class 10th, and in 11th class I scored 90%, and in class 12 I scored 94.6%, and I completed all my education after class 6 from the same school, that is SMT Kamala Agrawal Public School. It lies in my district Harbour. And now coming to the subject I like the most, so maths was my favorite subject from the starting, and in after class 10 I choose PCM stream since maths was my favorite subject. I was also interested in bio as well, but I choose maths over it. And now coming to the teachers I like the most, my maths teacher Mr. Amit Sharma was my favorite, and the reason behind it that he just don't used to teach us, but he was also a supporter for us. He used to guide us for our life. He used to give us the moral support and was always determined for our future and always cared about it. And the teachers I don't like, sir, I wouldn't think of such teacher, since I believe that each teacher tried to teach us something and make us learn something. So I respect each teacher equally. And now coming to the extracurricular activities, I would like to mention that I was the deputy head girl of my school in class 11th and was head girl of my school in class 12th as well. Since my teacher used to feel that I'm an all-rounder and I'm good in academics, as well as I took part in co-curricular activities which includes dancing, debate competition, quiz competitions, and also I did a play with my class as well. And apart from that, we have games in our school, and I participated in kho and badminton in my school, and I used to play that with my siblings also as at my home. Now the ambition in my life I want to become an Air Force officer, and for that I prepared for the NDA examination, and I appeared for it in my September attempt as 12th appearing. I cleared my written examination, but got screened out in my first attempt. I didn't give up and prepared again and improved my written score also this time, and prepared for SSB as well, more prepared for SSB as well this time, and cleared the written. And now I believe that I will be able to fulfill my ambition of my life.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have not told me about your friends.
Yes, sir. I have many friends. In fact, I'm very friendly in nature. I have friends of all age group in my school. Since all students come, as I was the head girl, so all students used to come to me, and I had many friends at my school and tuitions both. Not in my neighbors, since in my neighbor, not such close friends I made, but I had friends in my tuitions and school. Yes, sir.
So, what do you think is the reason you were made head girl in the school?
Sir, I feel that as a head girl, it is a job of responsibility, and as a head girl, the students who are facing any problem regarding any issue in the school, if they are not satisfied with any teacher, or they want to have any competition organized in the school, so they can come to me, and we had a whole community over there of the people like head girl, head boy, president of the school council, and we will took his decision over there, and we will communicate about it, and after that we will go to the principal and the director of the school, so students feel comfortable in talking with me since I understand their problems as well. And the other reason I feel is I was good in academics in my school, and I also participated in co-curricular activities. That's why they made me head girl of the school.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
And now that this is the second time you are coming up for the SSB,
Yes, sir.
and first time, unfortunately, you were not screened in.
Yes, sir.
But apart from NDA, what other competitions have you done?
Sir, I have appeared for the boards examination, and I also wanted to give JE examination, but my first SSB and JE dates collide unfortunately, so I couldn't give that. And I have also given CUET examination, which held on 15th May, and we have its result declaration on 30th June. So I couldn't tell you the score right now. Yes, sir, these are the
How was
examinations.
the CUET exam?
Sir, it was pretty well, and after matching with the answer key, I'm getting good marks enough to get a DU. Although I don't want it, I want to join NDA.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So you have given one SSB, you mentioned yourself, and
Yes, sir.
I would like to know from you, what did you learn from that attempt of the SSB? What did you analyze as a reason why you were not able to make it that time? How have you worked on yourself? And how can we see a different Vernica this time?
Yes, sir, certainly. Sir, what I analyzed is that in my previous SSB, I was not enough confident since I hadn't prepared well, and the reason behind it was for my written preparation. I had already focused on NDA written so much that I couldn't participate in my school pre-boards, and my SSB was on 1st of January, and my pre-boards were in the last of December.
Okay.
So due to that also, I couldn't practice much. The PPTs and all the things, and since it's a new concept as well as we have to give our best in it, and SSB is also wanting that from us. And at that time my general knowledge current affairs portion was also not that strong. The reason behind it, I was preparing for the my boards examination as well, and this time the improvements I have made is I involved myself more in physical activities, and I have also improved my general knowledge and current affairs. And this time I have practiced more as compared to the earlier, and I believe and I have the confidence this time that I will make it this time surely.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as the head girl of the school, what challenges did you face?
Sir, there was no such challenges since if I had any problem, I'll go to the principal or the director or the school council. All students we together solve out that problem. So with the cooperation of everybody, there is no such major challenge. We will solve together everything.
How did you control your classmates? Because normally your own classmates don't listen to you.
Yes, sir. I was not the monitor of my class. And I do not control students over there since class 12 students are already focused on their boards examination. So there was not such controlling things in them.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if I meet your maths teacher and ask, tell me about Vernica, what did you like in Vernica, what areas she needs to improve, what will he tell you?
Sir, my maths teacher is Amish Sharma, and if you will meet him, he will say you that she's a hardworking girl and she's a competitive girl. Like if she knows that she has decreased her level, and she will try to improve it and give her best in everything. And he will also say that the improvements area in me is that sometimes I become quite nervous when I try some new things, but after getting practice with it, I get the confidence back. Yes, sir.
And you have taken part in NCC also.
Yes, sir. I was an NCC student in my class 11th and 12th.
So what does NCC teach you?
Sir, NCC taught me a lot of things. Like before NCC, I was a girl who was just good in academics and was but don't have such exposure. Like I didn't came out of my district Habur. But when I joined NCC and I meet with the girls, it was a girls battalion, not of my school, but of the girls school. Like our school has two divisions. One is for co-ed, which is for both girls and boys, and the other is for just girls. So I joined the NCC of theirs, and there I learned many things. The first thing I learned is that you are unique, and you don't need to compare yourself. Each and everybody has different qualities. What you have to do is to give your best at the most level you can give. And the other things I learned is cooperation with my friends. And when we used to go to Ghaziabad in our battalion, we used to enjoy a lot, and I learned many things there: the time management skills, the discipline. And when I used to listen to army officers, the things they used to mention, I always used to feel very good about it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have done March past and all those things?
Yes, sir, I made that.
Were you part of any Republic Day camp?
No, sir, I couldn't be a part of Republic Day camp.
So any weapon firings you have done?
Sir, weapon firing is used to be teach for the C certificate students and not the B certificate. But we were made aware of some weapons like SLR rifle and INSAS rifle. Yes, sir.
What is the full form of SLR? What is the full form of INSAS?
Sir, INSAS stands for INSAS stands for INSAS and SLR. SLR, sir, sorry, I couldn't remember the full form right now.
SLR is self-loading rifle.
Yes, sir, self-loading rifle,
And
right.
INSAS?
INSAS is Indian. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it right now. I'll find it out. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will, now I know a bit about your education related activities. We will still focus to your family.
Okay, sir.
Suppose you tell me about your family. I would like to know about your parents, their education, their occupation, how do you spend time together,
yes, sir.
your activities at home, whom do you approach in times of difficulties and whenever you have to share some secret. What activities in which you personally involve with the family members at home? Who are the friends in your neighborhood? What activities you participate with them? How much pocket money you get and how do you spend that?
Yes, sir. So coming to my family, in my family I have 4 members. My father, my elder brother, me and my younger brother. My father is a telecom engineer in company Quest, which comes under Tata Communications, and he's 45 years old right now. And coming to my elder brother, he has also passed out his class 12th and is going to pursue BTech from GMS University, Harvard. And my younger brother is in class 11th, preparing for the joint entrance examination for 2026. And now coming to my neighborhood, I have friends in my neighborhood. Her name is Golu. She's a girl, and she's also pursuing her BA from Harbour district. And we have very good neighbors. I want to mention that they always help us in every condition we need. And now coming to the pocket money, I do not get pocket money, but whenever I want something, I'll tell that to my father and he will bring it for me. And if I need some money for the fare or to buy something, I will get that from my father. And now sir, could you please repeat
your activities at home?
Yes, sir. My activities at home.
Whom do you share your secrets?
Okay, sir. So in my home, since our mother got expired last year on 29th March, so after that a lot of things has changed in our home. Earlier she was the caretaker of the home. Now we all three and our father have to take the responsibility of it. So we share our work. Like in the morning, I prepare the lunch for my father and my younger brother. He goes to school, and prepare the breakfast as well, and do some chores of household. My all brother and my father, we all do that together. And sometimes our grandmother and Taiji also comes if I am not at home, or if there is something like I have to study for my boards examination, then they also support us. And I teach my siblings. I teach my both of my brothers. Since I am good in academics, I help in their mathematics problem or if any problem they are having. And secrets, I'll share my secrets with my younger brother most, as I feel more comfortable with him, and he also shares the same with me. But if I am having some serious problem, then I'll talk that to my father as well, since my father has said to me that you never have to worry about anything, and I am your mother and father both, so you can come to me anytime and anywhere. Yes, sir.
So what was the date you said your mother expired?
Sir, 29 March 2023.
What happened to her?
Sir, she got an heart attack, but before that, actually, we went for, she had an operation for the stone in her gallbladder, but unfortunately, that operation was not a success. So, after 13 days of admitting in hospital, on 13th day, we got to know that she got a heart attack in the morning. It was Ashtami of Navratri at that time.
Who was there with her that time?
Sir, my father was there, and I and my younger brother were at home. Also, my elder brother, and our father called us, and we got to know that she got expired.
What was her age?
Sir, her age was around 42 to 43. Yes, sir.
So, your father has decided not to marry again?
Yes, sir. Always.
You all did not encourage him?
Sir, actually, it's his choice, and if he don't want to marry, then it's completely depends upon
As you know, as grown-up children, you looking for father because he's going to become old after some time.
Yes, sir. We all are going to be there for him.
You all will go away and do something in your jobs, with your families. What about his company at old age?
No, sir, I accept that, but it is not that we all will leave him. Any one of them will always live with him, and I'm not telling about my brothers. I will live with him forever, and I also want to live with him since he is the one who has given everything to us. He is not just our father, but has played the role of our mother as well after she got expired. He always encouraged us and never let us feel that we are alone or we can't share anything, we are helpless. And I want to say just he's the best father, and I can never get better person anywhere rather than him.
So how much time you spend with him every day?
Sir, in morning he used to go for his job, and once he returned in the evening after 7, we make dinner together. Like me and my father, he used to make the dough, and I make the rotis and the sabji. Uh, and we talk around 9 to 10 since he have to leave for job in the morning. He sleeps early actually, but on weekends when he has a holiday, we will speak together for the whole day and try to communicate with him, want to know that what's going in his life, the company owing there. So we talk to him very often.
You have written one of the hobbies as cooking. You what all can you cook?
Sir, I can cook the basic things like I can make rice, I can make dal, I can make sabji, I can make rotis as well, parathas as well, and many other things as well, which includes some Chinese things like macaroni, chow mein, noodles. Yes, sir.
You are running the house.
Not alone. My family is also supporting me. My father and my brothers also take participate with whatever I tell to them. They always help me in that.
So your both brothers are there. You know, among the three siblings, who's the best?
Sir, we all are unique and have different qualities in different aspects. Like my elder brother has more practical knowledge. He knows the perspective of different persons and has knowledge about it. And I feel that my younger brother is very disciplined, and he knows he follows his routine with very full discipline and is also very focused on his studies. And comes to me, I feel that I'm responsible, and I also help everybody if the extent I can. Yes, sir.
So do you have a role model in life?
Yes, sir. My father is my role
Except
model.
your father.
Sir, except my father, my tuition teacher Amit Sharma is also my role model. Yes, sir.
So you share the room with brothers or you have independent room?
Sir, it's not independent room. I share it with my brothers.
Which one? Elder one, younger one? Or both?
Not both. My younger brother used to sleep with my father, and me and my elder brother sleeps in the same room, so we share
So
it.
which is the biggest secret you have told your younger brother? Because he can keep those secrets.
Biggest secret. Uh, I couldn't remember such big secret right now, but whatever happened in my whole day, and if I'm thinking about something or having some sort of problem, I'll talk to him. Yes, sir.
So, you know, since you are in a situation where you have to handle a lot of responsibilities at home,
Yes, sir.
you are working hand to hand with your father, what advice your father gives you for your report?
Sir, he always says me that never feel that you are alone. And in life, we have many people. Like when we born, we got so many people around us, but at the end, it's just you and you with always. So never think that somebody else is going to come for you. Take stand for yourself and be independent. Like you don't have to depend on someone, whether it is on financial or emotional support. You should be enough confident on yourself that I don't need anybody's support, and I'm there for myself always.
How much money do you spend in a month?
Sir, it depends what I'm purchasing. Like this month, I have purchased some SSB items like my pants and shirts. So for that, some extra money was used. But apart from that, I just to buy some registers and pen, some stationery items basically for my studies. Yes, sir.
So this you have written in your PIQ that you have your guardian as your BTech engineer. Who is this guardian?
Sir, he's my elder brother, not my real elder brother, but in my relatives, my Tauji's my Tauji's son. So he's my guardian. His name is Shaurav Sharma, and he has completed
So how
his.
does he support your family?
Sir, he always support us. Like he lives in Delhi, and on weekends he always visits us. And apart from my own family, my father and my real brothers, he's the one I'm most connected to. He's all like, I can always communicate with him. Whatever problem I'm facing, I can easily talk to him, and he always supports me. He always says that whatever you want to do in your life, and wherever you want any support, any help, I'll always be there for you.
So how is he your guardian?
Sir, he's my guardian since.
You have written he is your guardian. How has he become your guardian?
Sir, guardian is the one who looks after you and who cares about you. So he's my guardian.
Guardian is who supports you everywhere.
Yes, sir. He supports me everywhere.
Financially also.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between parent and guardian?
Sir, parents are we get by birth, and they are the ones because of whom we are alive. And guardian is someone who is apart from your parents and take care of you and helps you wherever you want. So he is my guardian. Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, how do you spend your spare time? Tell me, what are your interests, what are your hobbies, what kind of games have you played in school, with family, and with neighbors? Your reading habits, books, magazines, newspapers, TV watching habits, internet surfing habits, and when you are at home or at duty, what routine do you follow?
Okay, sir. Sir, so in my spare time, if I have some work, if I have some pending work, I'll complete it. And if I do not have such, I'll spend that time with my brothers. I'll help them in their studies if they are facing some problem. Or if there is nothing like that, we all watch movies together and some serials as well. And we will make some tasty food and we'll enjoy that together. And we'll talk to each other, and will also get a knowledge about what's happening in their life and what's going in the school in my younger brother, and for my elder brother what he is doing thinking to do now. And the hobbies and interest I have is, I like dancing, since I feel that dancing is an activity which makes me feel free, and and whenever I'm in tension I like to do dance, and I love to listen songs as well. And I also like singing, I like writing, and in reading, I don't read newspapers, but to get aware about the what is going on in our world, I get that knowledge from Google and some online sources, also from YouTube videos. I follow certain channels. And now coming to the games I play, I like badminton and kho. I have played that in my school, and I have played badminton with my siblings as well. But I am not playing them since I have passed my class 12, and currently I'm not playing that since I'm preparing for exams, but I like to play them afterwards. Yes, sir.
What about TV watching habits?
Sir, we do not have TV at our home from last 8 years, and if we want to watch something, we can watch it on a laptop. My father has laptop, or on our phones. Yes, sir.
And how much time now that any plans of joining college?
Sir, no, currently I don't have any plans to join college.
This year you will take break.
Not a break, I'm preparing for NDA exam.
No, if you join NDA, that is different.
Yes,
then you will go to NDA. Suppose by any chance if it does not happen, then are you applying for colleges?
Sir, actually, then I'll prepare for the 2025 JEE examination, so that I can also be eligible for the technical entry scheme, and I can apply for from that as well. And moreover, if I couldn't clear the NDA examination or any TS entry, then I'll take admission in college. But after that, I'll prepare for the CDS and FCAT examinations to go in the defense forces, since it is my last goal.
So this break is confirmed.
Yes, sir, it is confirmed for now.
Break is confirmed. This year, 1 year you will have a break. Then you will decide next year what to do.
Yes, sir, it depends upon the situation.
No. And newspaper?
Sir, I don't read newspaper actually, although I want to do it, and I will make sure that I begin to do it soon. But I make myself aware from the online sources and Google. Yes, sir.
India wants to become a developed nation.
Yes, sir.
You know, at the moment it is a developing nation. When can we call India a developed nation?
Sir, the nations who are developed, we can compare from that, are India. Right now, I think that there are some problems in India. One of such problem is that our villages are not that developed. There should be more infrastructure needed, and some the cleanliness is needed in our country. And apart from that, we can have more better transport facilities. More national highways can build here, and more health facilities can also provide it to the people. Since I have seen in my area also, the people lives in slum areas, and there is also, we can also enhance on our education. Or we can also enhance our education. We can make students to learn practical skills as well, which will increase employment in our India. And apart from that, employment is a problem. Poverty can also be removed with the help of employment. If people will get employed, then poverty will also remove. And we can also make more smart cities in our country, and we can more improve, we can have improvement in many areas apart from this as well.
What about defense?
Sir, we are spending enough money for defense also, but we can also make it better by using more technologies in defense as well. Like we have drones right now, but we can also enhance it by using artificial intelligence into it, and more technology will make our defense services even more better. Yes, sir.
Okay. What about industry?
Sir, we can make, or we can produce more industries in our country. Right now, we are also having a good industrial support. But if more industries will be there in our country, then we have to do less import from the other countries. So it will be a beneficial factor for us.
Okay. So basically, you mean to say that we need to become self-dependent
Yes, sir. Atmanirbhar Bharat.
on all possible fronts.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So Vernica, very nice. We had a long discussion about your education, about family, about various other activities. Uh, you know yourself more than anybody else. Nobody else can guarantee that. So I would like to hear from you that, as per your own opinion and assessment, what are the two best qualities in you as a person, and two things that you would like to improve in yourself in the coming times?
Yes, sir. So, what two qualities I liked about myself is that first is I care about others. I want to help others as much as possible. I'm helping in nature. And the second quality I like about myself is I'm a responsible girl. I know my responsibilities and I'm working hard for them. And I have my own ambitions in my life, and I'm passionate about them. And the two qualities which I want to make improvement is, the very first is I feel that I have good communication skills, although I can improve it and can enhance my English vocabulary to make it more fluent. And the second quality I can improve is my physical stamina, so that I could have more strength in my body, so I can be more eligible for the armed forces. Yes, sir.
So are you doing any exercise for increasing your strength?
Yes, sir. I'm doing exercise
On
right
regular
now.
basis?
Sorry, sir.
On regular basis?
Yes, sir. Here regular basis, and at my home also I do exercise in the morning and also do walk in the night, in evening, and as well as in the morning after having my breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yes, sir.
So, if you keep our interaction in your mind, is there anything about you that we have not discussed and you feel I should know? Any area of your life you have not been able to touch and you feel is something good, something great, I should know, please let me know.
Sir, I don't think so that you hadn't covered any area. Although I would like to mention that I have two close friends,
Okay.
and I made them. I want to name them. One is Dipanshi. She's also preparing for the NDA examination, and the qualities I like about her the most is she's a lively and joyful person. And around her, I always feel happy. She has a good sense of humor, and together we make our lives fun and interesting. We motivate each other for our goals. So I want to mention that I have got the best friends, since they support me in every area, and whenever I'm having problem, we have solutions for that. So I want to say that I have got the best friends in my
Who's the
life.
second one?
So second one is Atharva. He's also preparing for the NDA examination, and he's also passionate towards defense forces. And the qualities I like about him, he's very dedicated to his goal, and he never gave up on things. And he's a solution oriented person, and he's a dedicated man, I must say.
So these friends are here or they are in Hapur?
Sir, they are in Harpur. Both are in Harpur.
Both of them?
Yes, sir. They were in my school as well in my tuition.
Okay, we have spoken a lot, we discussed a lot. And I am very thankful to you for educating me about yourself, your families, and everything. And I can say good luck and good wishes. But my asking questions to you one way, I don't think it's fair. I want to extend an opportunity to you that if you have any question, please ask.
Any questions regarding forces or
That is your
anything?
choice.
Okay, sir.
Because I want to strike a balance. That I am asking questions. So if you have also asked question
Okay,
to
sir.
me, you can feel nice.
Yes, sir. I would like to ask one question. What is that one thing which is needed to be there 100%ly in an armed force officer? What is that one thing which makes you different and which makes you officer?
There is a single word that describes a person, and that word is discipline. The absence or presence of discipline and the magnitude of discipline in a person will describe his personality. There is everything comes under discipline. You cannot remove discipline from any aspect of your life, from any activity of life. Even when you are sitting on a chair,
Yes, sir.
that also needs discipline. That is the only thing that needs it. Plus, his responsibility, which also comes under discipline.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Vernica, wonderful to have spoken to you.
Thank you, sir.
And I know one more person now in the world named Vernica.
Yes, sir.
And our good wishes with you.
Thank you,
You have
sir.
a lot of
Thank you
things
so
lined
much.
up, lot of activities lined up, lot of tasks ahead. You are working hard and continue working harder than hard.
Yes, sir.
And
Certainly.
we wish you good luck
Thank you, sir.
and with the choice that you should succeed early as possible.
Yes, sir. I want to do that.
Good luck, all the best.
Thank you so much.